There are two versions of you, the one who makes plans, sets goals and promises change, and the one who quietly actually runs your life from underneath. Until those two meet, nothing sticks. Not discipline, not motivation, not quite anything. There is a way to bring them face to face. This formula will help you transform, but not through force, but gently through wisdom and understanding. In the end of the video I will show you how to use it. The runes are Ansus, Manas, Dagas. The rune Ansus is the rune of speech, rune of thought, rune of clarity and perception and understanding. The rune Manas is the rune of the social nature, rune of the mind, rune of the intellect. So together these two runes will help you understand yourself, that will improve your perception and understanding of your life. The rune Dagas represents a improvement and enlightenment, a positive transformation. So together these three runes will help you understand yourself and transform yourself if that will be your choice. An appropriate incantation could sound like this: by the power of these runes, my ability to understand and transform myself will be greatly improved. So be it. Download my free runes PDF file with rune meanings, rune formulas and rune spreads. The link is in the description or on my profile page. Now, how do you activate the rune formula? Draw the runes on a piece of paper, then take a candle in a candle holder, put it on top of your paper, say your incantation, and then light the candle. Let the candle burn down completely. After that, the amulet is activated and ready. For more detailed instructions, get my Rune Magick Quick Start course. It's a short, value-packed video course that will answer all your questions and enable you to start doing rune magic today.